Welcome to day 12 of our 21-day meditation series. In this meditation today, we focus on enhancing your decision-making abilities and finding clarity in your life. We all face moments of uncertainty and poor decision-making, but through mindfulness and self-awareness, we can navigate these challenges more effectively. Begin by finding a quiet and a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Remember, do not listen to this meditation while driving or doing any activity that requires you to be alert. Now, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, exhaling slowly. Acknowledge that the moments of confusion and poor decisions are a part of human experience. These challenges can emerge due to various factors such as external pressures, fear, self-doubt, or lack of clarity about your goals and values. Causes and effects of poor decision-making are overthinking or underthinking decisions, ignoring your intuition, being influenced by external opinions, fearing failure or criticism. Poor decision-making can lead to feelings of regret, stress, and self-doubt. It can also create a sense of being stuck or uncertain about the path ahead. Reflect on the symptoms of poor decision-making and lack of clarity in your life. These may include confusion, anxiety, and a sense of being overwhelmed. These challenges can affect various aspects of your life, from your personal relationships to your career and overall well-being. As you now continue to breathe deeply, let's begin the meditation to improve your decision-making and gain clarity. Take a long deep breath in and relax yourself completely. Release all the stress and tension out through your breath. And now imagine a beautiful clear pool of water in front of you. This pool represents your inner wisdom and intuition. Visualize yourself standing by the pool, and slowly you dip your hand into the water. As you do, you feel a surge of wisdom and clarity entering your life. Feel that surge of energy along with another beam of golden light that comes in from the universe. This golden light represents faith. Our inner wisdom can only function when there is complete faith. So now, feel the light of faith entering each and every cell of your body. Now, consider a recent decision or an area of your life where you seek clarity. Mentally, immerse yourself in this pool of wisdom. Let the clear water wash away any doubts or confusion. Feel the answers and insights you need rising to the surface. And trust those answers that come in. Acknowledge that within you lies a wellspring of wisdom and the ability to make choices that serve your highest good. You have the power to make clear, confident decisions that align with your values and aspirations. All you need to do is trust your inner voice. Your inner voice will never ever misguide you. It is the only voice that is there to guide you at every step you take in your life. Slowly return to the present moment and take a deep breath in and remind yourself of today's centering thought. I trust my inner wisdom to make clear and confident decisions that serve my highest good. I trust my inner wisdom to make clear and confident decisions that serve my highest good. Carry this newfound sense of clarity and trust in your decision-making abilities throughout your day. You possess the wisdom and clarity you seek. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, knowing that you have the capacity to make choices that serve your well-being. Have a wonderful day.